Hey everybody, about a month ago I thought I'd join D23, the official Walt Disney fan club. D stands for Disney. 23 is for 1923, the year Walt Disney founded the company. Anyway, if I'm going to go to D23 Expo later in the year, I thought, well, why not join the D23 fan club? So, about a week ago, I received my first package from D23 in the mail concerning my membership. I did join. I got the gold family membership. So I thought, I haven't opened it yet. I thought I'd open it with you here. Now, to do that, I also thought I'd wear this thing. I don't know if you have a Five Below store near you, but we got this at Five Below. And what you do is you hang this on your neck and you put your phone in here, and you wear it like that. Thought it would be goofy. That would be really silly, but I understand it kind of works well, so let's try that out. I'm gonna do that, and you put your phone right there. All right, let's go in. Going on to my lanai. That's where my D23 package is. Here it is. Oh, this is really close, huh? Here's the package. This is a bad idea, isn't it? I'll get the tripod. Yeah, this gives me more room. I'll set that aside. Okay. So here's the package that I received in the mail. It didn't come with the Mickey sticker. I'm just covering up my address there, but here it is. Look how thin it is. I'm gonna open it now. So it appears this is their D23 publication, Disney 23, that D23 members get, featuring Captain Marvel here. On the back, it says, "Thank you for being part of the magic," and it looks like there's a patch here. D23 celebrating 10 fantastic years. This is the 10th anniversary of the D23 fan club. Started in 2009. That's what it is. It's a patch. Little Captain Marvel poster featuring some of the characters in the movie. Looks like it concerns all things Disney. So that arrived in the mail last weekend. Then a few days later, I received this one. A much more substantial package. Also from D23. The first thing I see is the previous edition of the Disney 23 magazine or catalog or whatever this is called. This one has Mary Poppins and Ralph and Vanellope. And then this. Let's open it up. Looks like a certificate. D23 welcomes me to the official Disney fan club. Signed by Robert Iger and Mickey Mouse. Here's a letter. We are thrilled to have you join D23, the official Disney fan club, as a D23 Gold family member. Has my membership number on it, my order number. Looks like an explanation of what I can expect out of my membership. My membership card expires in 1 year. It's a 1-year membership. Ooh, and then there's this tin. Look at the holes cut in the box to hold that membership card for Mickey's. And there's this tin. And I think I read what's in here, but let's open it up. Yes. It's a D23 member pin collection. I forget what it's called exactly, but there's a number of pins celebrating movies, attractions. The parks are represented here. Some classic cartoons here. Muppets, Marvel is represented. I don't see Star Wars. Pixar. But that's pretty neat. I bet I'd really love this if I collected pins. So that was the unboxing of my D23 membership mailing thing, whatever. I've got the Five Below thing back on. I suppose this would be better if I were laying in bed and too lazy to hold my phone up, but this is cool too, right? Now my plan for the D23 membership is to perhaps go to D23, get discounted tickets to that event, and we'll see what else. But that was exciting to see that arrive in the mail. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time. Uh-oh.